Kabuk Pales Kawanra Shapi, Yaka Kodyara Papura, Ka General Studies Pepuan, Pinking Aktiari Lade, Naka Pendaki competitive exam, Kum ka MCS, MPS, but QA ki allied services. Kat kum ka syllabus, but to my tam, Jong ke MPAC, Araja R4R. Pila ban yo yeka, na kitukan kot paro ha shilong. Kumbakar Frangut ki field assistant bala pandep ye ki jing hikai haka 48 batch field assistant na conservation of training institute Bernihan haka khat nyaw tering uliber ahaja R4R kila shapan kum burom haka passing out ceremony bala panlong negatnat soil and water conservation jong sarkar Meghalaya haka jingalang basongkun bala panlong ha auditorium jong ka CTI Bernihan Hagati ke jingalang pun ku buram ye kitigi samla ki bala pas ya ke jing hikai lawan ru manishimenta dau Dr. Joram Beda Secretary ka Soil and Water Conservation jongga sarkar Meghalaya kumu kongsan haga jinga don lang ka kong Irenja Director Soil and Water Conservation M Dengdo DSW Senior Instructor CTI Bernihan PP Lengdo Joint Director CTI Bernihan but ki officer haga jinga don lang ki bahayeng hasem jong kitei ki bladeb shapen tibit napdeng jong kitei ki khat prangot ki bala pendep ye ka jing hikai but ka jing shapen tibit bala penrung house nem araja arway arwar khasan ngut naki ki dei na soil and water conservation jong ka sarkar Assam arngut ki dei na Arunachal Pradesh but way na soil and water conservation division Risu Belpara
and be a man of moral integrity. And I think for that, and elaborating on that because it has had a great impact on us and we look forward to move ahead with the same thought. It is an honor to me to stand here today in front of such respectable audience and conclude the great journey of last 11 months that we had started from April last year, that is 2021. Our training journey here, in fact, was full of excitement, fun, and at the same time, hectic. I should mention that this training had widened our knowledge on the subject, which we were totally unaware of or not related to our line of study. Soil and water conservation subjects as a whole and its related subjects, indeed in particular, was something really unknown and new to me, perhaps to all my fresh colleagues completing the course here. But during this course, we gained a lot. It has been a great value education for all of us. During this course of time, we had study tours to several places in Assam and Meghalaya, which had not only expanded our practical knowledge, but also helped us understand the subject better.
You would be proud to know that you have completed this comprehensive training program from a prestigious and a premier institute like CTI. As this has been already told before by the Joint Director, this is one of the oldest institutions in the whole of Northeast, and this institution was there during the time of undivided Assam, and the current our Soil and Water Conservation Department also was bifurcated from the erstwhile Forest Department of Assam. I've gone through the report of this training program and pretty sure that you had a very comprehensive training program. And I must say that the essence of such a residential training is not just to give you technical knowledge, this is also to forge a lifelong relationship amongst you as officers. And especially in the current context of the northeastern region, this association that you have forged during this 11 years of training will go a pretty long way in, helping in your professional career and as well as unifying the Northeast. All right. So it might be that someday you might be posted across the border. So please ensure you remember to this day and ensure that there is peace and brotherhood amongst all of us.
ये दिन मेरे लिए तो बहुत बड़ा, कभी सोचा तो नहीं था ऐसा, मतलब खुद से ट्राई किया था। फिर मैम लोग, सर, इंस्ट्रक्टर लोग पहले जब आए थे यहाँ पे तो अजीब सा कुछ महसूस हो रहा था, क्योंकि थोड़ा बहुत लैंग्वेज का भी प्रॉब्लम था असम से ग्राउंड पे तक तो। लेकिन इंस्ट्रक्टर लोगों ने इतना अच्छी तरह से मतलब हमको समझाया कि मतलब आज मुझे ये मुकाम तक पहुँच गया। लेकिन मैं कभी सोचा नहीं थी, मतलब थोड़ी बहुत मतलब आस थी कि शायद कुछ मैं सीखने के लिए यहाँ पर आई थी। लेकिन टॉपर तो मतलब ये तो दिमाग से मतलब ऊपर ही है। लेकिन अभी फिर बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। इंस्ट्रक्टर सब, कंसिस्टर मैडम, फिर और सारे जितना भी सर, सब ने बहुत हेल्प किया मुझे मतलब समझाने में। अगर एक कुछ चीज़ एक बार अगर मैं ये समझे तो बार बार समझाया, तो इसलिए बदौलत ही मैं आज इस मुकाम पर पहुँच चुकी हूँ। तो इसलिए अच्छा लगता है। मतलब ये तो मैं तो अभी ऑन सर्विस में हूँ, तो यहाँ पे जो सीखा है अभी ये सब मतलब अपने डिपार्टमेंट में क्या मतलब अपने डिपार्टमेंट में वो इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए कोशिश करूँगी। जितना भी मुझे नॉलेज हुआ है, जितना भी मैंने सीखी हुआ आज यहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग कोर्स में, तो वो सब मतलब अपने सर्विस में सब मतलब वो करने के लिए कोशिश करूँगी कि ताकि फिर मैं भी किसी और को सिखा सकूँ, मतलब कैसा है ये सब डिपार्टमेंट के फिर जो हम लोग का जो मतलब विलेजर्स है, जो मतलब बेनिफिशियरीज है, उसको सब उसको हेल्प कर सकूँ डिपार्टमेंट के काम के लक्ष्यों से।
Being the topper,
मैं यही मैसेज देना चाहूँगी कि आप लोग आइए सिर्फ मतलब टॉपर बनने के लिए, मतलब सीखने के लिए आइए। कुछ मतलब यहाँ से सीख के जाइए। और टॉपर तो आप जब खुद से अच्छी तरह से सीखोगे तब तो टॉपर तो ऐसे ही हो जाएंगे। मतलब सीखने के लिए आना चाहिए फिर, और मेहनत करना भी ज़रूरी है। मेहनत करने के ही मतलब ये होता है।
The Conservation Training Institute, as one of the oldest and premier institutes in the northeastern region, plays a key role in contributing towards achievement of the goal and objectives of the department by providing training to the field functionaries of the department and allied organizations of the state, as well as of other department organizations from northeastern states. A total number of 18 trainees were enrolled during the session, out of which 15 number of trainees are from Soil Conservation Department, Assam, 2 numbers of trainees from Soil Water Conservation Department, Arunachal Pradesh, and 1 trainee from Soil and Water Conservation Territorial Division, Resubelpara. The theory and practical classes for the trainees were taken up meticulously. The subjects covered in this training course are agronomy, soil science, botany, soil and water conservation engineering, silviculture, survey and leveling, forest engineering, forest menstruation, forest utilization, wildlife, forest law, and accounts and procedure.